If you're considering Dixa as your customer service platform, there are 12 things you need to know before making your decision. While Dixa is a strong choice for many businesses, especially in comparison to competitors like Zendesk and Freshdesk, there are some unique factors to consider to make sure it's the best fit for your team. The first thing to note is Dixa's omni-channel approach. Unlike some help desks that focus only on a single channel, Dixa allows agents to handle customer inquiries across multiple channels: phone, email, chat, and even social media, without switching between different platforms. This is particularly useful for businesses that need to provide a seamless customer experience across multiple touchpoints. Next thing is Dixa's user interface. Compared to Zendesk and Freshdesk, Dixa is known for its clean and intuitive design. This makes it easier for customer service teams to manage tickets and respond quickly to inquiries without the learning curve that can come with other platforms. You'll likely find it a bit more user-friendly, especially if you're new to customer service software. The third thing to know is Dixa's automation features. It offers workflow automation that helps reduce manual tasks, allowing agents to focus more on higher priority issues. You can set up automated ticket assignments, reminders, and even responses based on specific triggers, which can help streamline your workflow and improve efficiency. The fourth thing is its scalability. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Dixa can grow with you. While some competitors have limitations when scaling up, Dixa provides flexible pricing and feature packages, so you only pay for what you need. The fifth thing is Dixa's team collaboration tools. This platform makes it easy for teams to collaborate on tickets, leaving notes for other agents and keeping everyone in the loop. This collaborative environment is particularly useful when multiple departments need to be involved in resolving a customer issue. Next thing is Dixa's reporting and analytics. Unlike some platforms, Dixa offers detailed insights into agent performance, customer satisfaction, and ticket resolution time. The robust analytics tools allow you to monitor your team's efficiency and improve your customer service strategy over time. The seventh thing to consider is integrations. Dixa integrates with popular tools like Shopify, Salesforce, and Google Analytics, giving you the ability to streamline your workflows across your entire tech stack. However, it may not have as many out-of-the-box integrations as some other platforms like Zendesk, so you might need custom solutions if you use a less common tool. The eighth thing is Dixa's pricing model. While it's a competitive choice, Dixa's pricing can get a bit tricky, especially for smaller businesses. Depending on the features you need, it might be more expensive compared to simpler platforms like Freshdesk or Zoho Desk. The ninth thing to know is Dixa's mobile app. If you need your team to stay connected on the go, Dixa's mobile app allows your agents to respond to tickets and manage cases from anywhere. This can be a huge plus, but some other platforms, like Zendesk, have more robust mobile functionalities. The 10th thing is customer support. Dixa provides 24/7 support, but some users report that it can take a little longer to get responses during peak times. If having instant access to support is a priority for you, some competitors might offer quicker response times, especially if you're on a higher tier plan. The 11th thing to know is Dixa's customer feedback tools. The platform makes it easy to collect feedback from customers after resolving tickets, which can help you measure satisfaction and improve service quality. If feedback collection is important for your business, Dixa offers solid tools, though some competitors may have more customizable options. Finally, Dixa's security features. It complies with GDPR and other data protection regulations, offering robust security to protect your customer data. This is particularly important for businesses operating in regions with strict data protection laws. In conclusion, Dixa offers a lot of great features, especially its omni-channel support, user-friendly interface, and automation tools. But depending on your specific needs, you might find other platforms like Zendesk or Freshdesk offer better value. If you're looking for an even more tailored solution with a simple, affordable price, we recommend trying out our solution, which you can start using for free.